Since flying became popular, there have always been a brutal rivalry between American and European airplanes, with the two titans in the ring being Boeing and Airbus. These companies both make very different choices when it comes to their planes, but is one better than the other? And who is this mysterious third company that has recently come into the ring? Starting with the world of aircraft appearances, it's actually quite easy to tell the difference between a Boeing aircraft and an Airbus plane just by giving them a quick glance. But there's more to it than just looks.